How to log in UPZer's account. So let's get started. First of all, simply open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down the UPZer's employee and hit enter. Or you can also search for the UPZer's login. You can simply see login option available there. But if you do not find it, then you can simply type down the UPZer's employee login and you will get to see login button available there. Then simply tap on the login at the top and navigate to your login portal. Now once there, all you have to do is enter your user ID in the respective fields. Once you enter your user ID, simply tap on the continue button available there. Then all you have to do is enter your password in the password field and click on the continue or login option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.